Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to connect iCloud to Android. Use a step guide to connect and access your iCloud on an Android device. First, unlock your Android phone and make sure it's connected to Wi Fi or mobile data. Open the Chrome browser or your preferred browser. Type in iCloud.com in the address bar. Tap Sign In to sign in with your Apple ID, the same one linked to iCloud. Enter your Apple ID password, tap Agree, confirm and complete two-factor authentication using your trusted Apple device. Check Trust this browser if you don't want to verify every time. Once logged in, you'll see the iCloud web dashboard. Scroll down to the bottom until you see the Mail app. Tap on Mail to access your iCloud email or to create an email address. Now go back. Tap on Photos to view and download your iCloud photos. Now go back again. Tap on Notes, Reminders, or Calendar to view and sync content manually. To access contacts, export them first from iCloud.com on a computer, then import into your Google account. Optional, install the Gmail app on Android and add your iCloud email account using the IMAP option for direct mail sync. Another optional, install Google Drive or Google Photos to move files from iCloud to your Android more easily. Bookmark iCloud.com on your browser by tapping the three dots in the top right corner, then hit the star icon to save it to your browser. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.